Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Since Google unveiled Android 11 for Pixel devices back in September, many custom ROMs have been launched, but they were still in beta phase. Now it's been a couple of months since then, so today we're gonna take a look at the Evolution S custom ROM for my Redmi Note 8 running on Android 11. So let's get started. Starting things off with the customizations set in this custom ROM. The ROM offers decent set of customizations, which is all in this tab called as Evolver. You get to customize from notification bar to reset menu, so basically you get all the customizations you expect from a custom ROM, which is pretty good thing in my opinion, as it is a AOSP based ROM and their target is to get the cleanest Pixel ROM experience. Now, talking about the cameras, the ROM comes with normal Snapdragon camera, but if you are using a later version of this ROM, you will surely get Gcam Go, which is pretty good in my opinion. Speaking about Gcam, I'm using TRCam as an alternative here, which works completely fine in this ROM. Here are some pictures taken using this camera app. Now, talking about the performance of this ROM, the ROM feels pretty snappy for my use. There was no lags, and in Geekbench the ROM scored 307 in single core and 1238 in the multi-core, which is a pretty decent score for the device I'm using. Lastly, I want to talk about the stability of this ROM, which is the most important thing in my opinion for any custom ROM users, especially for me. The ROM is very stable and could be used as a daily driver, and the battery backup in this ROM is also above average. So if you are looking for a good Android 11 ROM to flash, then I would highly suggest to go for Evolution X. This ROM is available for many other devices. I will provide the list and the link in the description box below so you can download it from there. With that, it's time to conclude my video, so that's it guys for today. If you like this video, be sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos guys. Till then, peace out.